Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to fix your loud washing machine. A noisy washing machine can be frustrating and may indicate an underlying issue. To troubleshoot your loud washing machine, start by identifying the source of the noise. Common causes of loud noises include unbalanced loads, faulty bearings, loose belts, and blockages in the drain pump. First, check if the washing machine is properly leveled and if the floor is even. An unbalanced washing machine can cause vibrations that lead to loud noises. Next, check the balance of your laundry load. Make sure to distribute clothes evenly and avoid overloading the machine. If the noise persists, inspect the washing machine's belt and pulley system. A loose or worn-out belt can cause the machine to produce loud noises. Check the belt for signs of wear and tear, and replace it if necessary. Also, check the drain pump filter for blockages. Remove any debris or lint that may be causing the noise. Another common cause of loud noises is faulty bearings. If the noise is coming from the bottom of the washing machine, it may be a sign of worn-out bearings. In this case, it's best to consult a professional for repair or replacement. To prevent future occurrences, make sure to perform regular maintenance on your washing machine. Check and clean the drain pump filter regularly, and ensure that the machine is properly leveled and balanced. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the source of the noise, and enjoy a quieter and more efficient washing machine. Remember to always refer to your washing machine's user manual for specific troubleshooting instructions. And if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, consider consulting a professional for assistance. By taking these steps, you can extend the life of your washing machine and prevent loud noises from occurring in the future.